This video will introduce you to the Bookmark Manager Linkman. To download Linkman, visit outertech.com and select Bookmark Manager from the left menu. Linkman is available in two editions. Linkman Lite is a free version for personal and educational usage. Linkman Pro has no usage restrictions and more advanced features. You can see the differences between both editions in more detail on our webpage. This tutorial will show you the Pro edition of Linkman. Linkman Pro can also be installed on a USB stick. A portable version of Linkman Pro will be installed on your USB device if you choose this option. The installer has detected your web browsers and will install add-ons to access Linkman directly from the web browsers. Linkman core components have been installed and Linkman will start. Here you can see Linkman's main window with first-time hints related to the search function. For this moment, we will hide Linkman to tray icon by closing its main window. The Internet Explorer add-on has already been installed. Chrome and Firefox add-on installations need to be confirmed. To bookmark the current web page to Linkman, click on the Add-on button and select either Add to Linkman or Add to Linkman and Edit. As you see, Linkman has extracted keywords and description automatically from the website. You can add more keywords if you like, and give a rating to the bookmark. You can even add data fields of your own choosing. For example, you can create a data field that stores the language of the website. It's also possible to associate a specific browser to a Linkman bookmark. By clicking OK, the bookmark is saved to the Linkman database. You can also access Linkman using the right-click menu of the browser. A link that is located inside a website can also be added to Linkman with a trick. First, launch the Linkman search window. Then, drag and drop a link from the website to the search window. You can also add the current web page to Linkman using drag and drop. The bookmark data can be quickly edited in the search window. Just click on a cell you want to edit and hit the space key. Every single cell can be edited by marking it and pressing the space key. Alternatively, you can right-click any cell and select Edit from the menu. Type a keyword and Linkman will display all bookmarks that contain this keyword. More advanced search options will be explained later. The symbol to the left of the Edit field shows the keyword list window. You can access the keyword list window quickly by pressing the Ctrl+Enter hotkey. The launch button to the right of the Search Edit field has a menu where the Linkman search window can be configured. You can use the cursor keys to move quickly to the search results and back to the search field. Bookmarks in the search window can be visited with a double click or by selecting a bookmark with the cursor keys and pressing the Enter key. Next, we will install the Linkman Firefox add-on and restart Firefox. The Linkman add-on has been installed but remains invisible. Linkman functions are available in the Firefox right-click menu. You can access Linkman also in the add-on bar. As you see, the bookmarks added before in Chrome are now available in Firefox. Linkman buttons can also be placed freely within Firefox. Optionally, you can place your Linkman bookmarks inside folders. To get back to the Properties window, right-click a bookmark and select Properties from the menu or hit the Alt plus Enter hotkey. The Linkman Internet Explorer add-on has been already installed in the background, but must be activated. By right-clicking the caption, you can turn on the menu bar. In the View menu, the Linkman toolbar can be activated. The toolbar has two buttons. Linkman functions can be assigned to these buttons. You can also search for and launch your Linkman bookmarks from here. Linkman functions are also available in the right-click menu of Internet Explorer. Let's have a look at the main window of Linkman. To show the main window, either launch Linkman again from your desktop or double-click the tray icon. The label with the blue background shows you the file path to your Linkman database file. You can move the location to any place of your liking by using File, Save As. You can also import existing bookmark collections from a variety of formats. It's even possible to import from any delimited text file. You can configure the content of the columns in this window. A tutorial is available here to show you how to exchange data between Linkman and Excel. To explain Linkman's search and editing functions, we will load an example bookmark database that is included with Linkman. The main Linkman window consists of three areas: the Edit area on the top, the Bookmark Tree View on the left, and the Search area on the right. Each panel is resizable. The Edit area and the Bookmark Tree View can be hidden, so you get a large search area. By default, the search panel displays all bookmarks, 288 in this example. Linkman Search always works instantly, also with very large bookmark collections containing more than 100,000 bookmarks. To start a search, type a keyword into the search box. You see Linkman now displays 50 bookmarks related to the keyword computer. You can combine multiple keywords when searching. Linkman now displays all bookmarks that include both the computer and the tips keywords. You can also exclude keywords from the search. Now you can see the final results. 4 bookmarks that contain the keyword computer and the keyword tips, but don't contain the keyword games. If you hit the Enter key, Linkman will launch the first bookmark from the list into your default browser. You can change your default browser in Linkman settings, which are located in the Tools menu. If you want to launch multiple links at once, hold down the Shift key to mark them and double-click any of the selected links. The symbol to the left of the search field gives you access to the keyword list window. If you start typing a keyword, Linkman will search the keyword that begins with the text you have typed and selected. To show all bookmarks that contain this keyword, either double-click it or hit Enter. The keyword list window can also be used to add new keywords to a bookmark. Choose your new keyword and hit Enter. Double-click it or click on the Add button. By default, the search panel will search the whole bookmark database. This is indicated by the All Search type. You can change the search type to a different mode, for example, Duplicate Search. Linkman will display all bookmarks that link to the same website in one color. The Fuzzy Duplicates search method shows you bookmarks that are not exact duplicates, but similar to each other. If you have decided to use folders, which is purely optional with Linkman, you can change the search type to folders. All folders will be displayed. Linkman is fully drag and drop capable. You can take bookmarks from the left tree view panel and drop them to folders in the right search panel. They will be moved to the new location. It works even the other way around. You can take a folder from search results and drop it to the tree view panel on the left. Drag and drop also works with external sources. For example, you can drag and drop documents from Explorer to Linkman. Linkman will create a link to the local document. You can display it with a double click. You can also send documents to Linkman using Explorer's right-click menu. The layout of the Linkman window is highly flexible. You can actually change the search panel to another tree view style panel. Now you have two tree view style panels. You can move bookmarks from the left to the right panel and vice versa. You can save the content of the right tree view panel as a new database. Any Linkman database can be protected with a password. A new symbol indicates that the database is encrypted. The mode of the left panel can be changed too, of course. If you want to search both bookmark databases at the same time, use the search window. You can access it by pressing Ctrl+F. This window looks familiar. It's the same Linkman search window that can be accessed directly in all browsers. Linkman Pro allows you to synchronize your bookmarks not only between browsers, but also between all your computers. This example will show you how to synchronize Linkman databases using Dropbox. Many other synchronization services like Google Drive and Microsoft SkyDrive are supported by Linkman. At first, you need to install the Dropbox client on all your computers. Visit Dropbox.com and download the Dropbox client. Install the Dropbox client. If you don't have a Dropbox account, you can create it in this step. We will continue this demonstration with an existing Dropbox account. Now you can select the location of the Dropbox folder. This folder will also hold your Linkman database. In Linkman, we will move the bookmark database to the Dropbox synchronization folder. It can be accomplished using the Save As function of the File menu. This is all that needs to be done on this computer. Let's move to another computer, a notebook. We have already installed Linkman and the Dropbox client on this notebook computer. All you need to do here is open your Linkman database from the Dropbox folder once. Now let us test out if the synchronization works correctly. We will add a new bookmark to Linkman on this notebook. Let's go back to our desktop computer. As you see, Linkman has just synchronized the database using Dropbox. In case you have missed the sync message, look at the Linkman tray icon. It has turned to a green color, and the tooltip displays the time of the last synchronization. Although mobile Linkman apps are still in development, you can access your Linkman bookmark database on Android and iOS with a trick. We will configure Linkman to synchronize the database not only in the default XML data format, but also using an HTML export template. Select any of the HTML templates available here. You can edit the existing templates or create new templates with the template editor, which is available from the Tools menu. When the database is updated with new content, Linkman will also create an HTML file that contains your bookmarks. Optionally, you could set this HTML file as the start page of your browser so you get all your bookmarks at a glance. Here you can see a portable Android device with the Dropbox app installed. The Linkman Bookmark HTML template output has been synchronized with this Android device. You can display this file in your mobile browser and launch your bookmarks. With Linkman Pro, you can create export templates to convert your Linkman database into any data format of your choosing. 7 export templates are included with Linkman. You can create new templates or modify existing ones. A template consists of a header section and 2 passes to output every bookmark in a loop. The first pass is designed to create a bookmark or folder index. The second pass outputs the actual bookmarks and the anchors for the index. The available Linkman data tags can be accessed in the menu. A detailed template tutorial is available in the Help menu. The tutorial includes step-by-step instructions how to create a new template. Linkman Pro offers advanced bookmark validation to keep your bookmark collection fresh and up to date. Linkman can check bookmarks for dead links, content changes, and page movements. You can even retrieve missing names, keywords, and web icons. The validation process can be configured in many details, but for tutorial purposes, we will leave all options at default values and just start the validation process. Linkman will quickly validate all your bookmarks and add new symbols to them. A green symbol indicates that everything is okay with the bookmark. Any other symbol is explained in the status bar if you select the bookmark. For example, here you can see a yellow status symbol which indicates that the website has moved to a new location. Linkman has automatically corrected the path and stored the old path away. The old path can be accessed in the Options section of the Bookmark Properties window. Linkman can also detect content changes on a web page since your last validation. Any bookmark with changed content is underlined. The detection is intelligent and will not bother you if, for example, only the date display of a web page has changed. You can also review validation results by changing the search type. For example, you can quickly access all web pages that were detected as non-existent. Just change the search type from All to Page Not Found. The drop basket is an optional floating Linkman widget that can be moved around and stays on top of other windows. You can place it anywhere on your desktop. By right-clicking the drop basket, you get a menu with some of the Linkman functions. For example, you can access all your Linkman bookmarks. Using the plus symbol here, you can add the current web page to a specific Linkman folder. To quickly bookmark the current web page, just double-click the Linkman drop basket. The new bookmark will be added to the top of your database. Linkman has a vast number of options and settings, so you can configure it exactly to your needs. Some of the options are specific to the bookmark database. To configure these options, select Properties in the File menu. Here, you can configure the rating system, minimum and maximum rating values, rating labels, and colors. Other settings are configured globally for all databases. In the Program Start section, you can configure which databases Linkman will load at startup. By default, the last used databases are loaded. This section lets you configure what should happen when you quit Linkman. You can also disable the bookmark launch history here for privacy reasons. The Data section settings are related to the handling of your XML bookmark databases. Backup history and automatic template output can be configured here. The Browser section shows all file paths to the web browsers installed on your system. You can also change the communication port that is used to exchange data with the web browsers. If you decide to change the port, don't forget to also do it in the Linkman add-on options in the web browsers. This section shows you the file paths of bookmark collections on your system that could be imported into Linkman. In the Launch Bookmarks section, you can configure the default web browser. This section gives you several options to set the destination of new bookmarks that are added to your Linkman bookmark database. Here you can configure what actions Linkman should execute if you single, double, or right-click the Linkman tray icon. The right-click and double-click actions of the drop basket can also be configured. You can also change the picture of the drop basket widget. Any GIF image can be used, preferably a GIF animation. With the Interface section, the user interface behavior can be modified. You can also change the Linkman fonts and colors. In the Global Hotkeys section, you can define hotkeys for many Linkman actions. For example, you can create a hotkey to add a bookmark from the current browser to Linkman, or a hotkey to display the Linkman search window. These hotkeys are global. That means they will work in every program, not only within Linkman. Click on the tutorial link to get a detailed list of all Linkman shortcuts and hotkeys. In the Connection section, you can configure an optional proxy server for the Linkman bookmark validation. If export templates are too complex for you, a more basic HTML output can be configured here. The HTML file can be created in the Export submenu of the File menu. This section allows you to change the language of the Linkman interface. Linkman is available in 15 languages. The Daily Links feature can be used to launch several bookmarks that you are visiting on a daily basis with a single click. Just add any of your bookmarks to Daily Links. And launch them from the tray icon or drop basket menu. The Daily Links list can be modified in the main Linkman window. Linkman also offers an optional desktop toolbar for fast link access with every browser. You can activate it in the tray icon menu. Drag and drop browser links or Explorer documents to add them to Linkman. You can detach the desktop toolbar from the bottom and attach it to the top. It can also be minimized. This was a quick introduction to Linkman. For more details, please read the Linkman PDF manual or visit the Linkman webpage at www.outertech.com. For contact, email us at support@outertech.com.